So in this lecture we are starting with the actual number system. What is a number system? It is a way to represent a number. Now there are many ways to represent any particular number. So there are basically four number systems which are used in digital electronics. That is a decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So we'll see each one in detail. Now before that, okay, you should remember the base meaning. It is also called as a radix. Now what is that base and or radix? Base 10, okay, is assigned to a decimal number system. What is a decimal number system? It is going to have 10 symbols. Now which are the 10 symbols which will be used to represent any number in decimal number system? So like it is from 0 to 9. So total 10 symbols. So it is going to have something called as base 10. Now next is a binary number system. You know that bi is 2. So it is going to have two symbols or two digits which are 0 and 1. So it is a base 2. Next is octal. Octa is 8. So base 8. And what are the symbols? 8 symbols. So 0 to 7. And the last one is hexadecimal. Hexa is 6. Decimal meaning 10. So 10 plus 6 is 16. It is a base 16. And you can represent any number using 10 digits between, that is 0 to 9. And there are 6 characters: A, capital A, B, C, D, E, F. So total number of symbols which are used in hexadecimal number system is 16. 10 digits and 6 characters. Now what is basically a decimal number system? Decimal number system has a base 10, and it is the way most human beings represent the numbers which we use daily in life. It is abbreviated as DEC. Now it has 10 symbols. Now decimal counting, how it is done? It is a normal counting like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. In this, if you observe, there are only 10 symbols which are used, like 0 to 9. If you consider here 10, again it is 1 and 0. So again you are using these two symbols. If you take 14 as a number, again here 1 and 4. So this is 1 and 4. So and so on. So basically you are going to use only 10 symbols. Now what is a binary number system? It has a base 2. You are going to count only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So only 2 symbols are used to represent a binary number system. It is abbreviated as bin. You can count like 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, any combination. But you have to use only 0 and 1. And the third one is hexadecimal number system. As it says, there are 16 symbols. Now which are these 16 symbols? That is 0 till 9. And there is nothing called as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Instead of that, there are 6 letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So total 16 symbols which are used to represent a number in hexadecimal number system. Now this particular hexadecimal number system is more compact than a binary number system, and it is abbreviated as hex. Now if you see here this slide, this is a hexadecimal number. So you can see here 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F, because there is nothing called as 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the equivalent of this. So if you see the decimal number 13, in hexadecimal it is taken as a capital D. Okay, now these are some of the things which you should know. Like this is a I have written here there are 8 bits. Okay, it's a binary number. 8 bits I have written. 8 bits consist of 1 byte. So I have written a byte here. Now at the below here I have written a small number as 2. What it means? It is a base of this number. You know that this number is a binary number, so the binary number base is 2. The rightmost bit is called as a least significant bit, and this is the most significant bit because this has a 0th position and this has the highest position, that is the index of it. Now just remember 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, or for that matter anything raised to 0. So that's why I've written x raised to 0 is equal to 1, and it is not 0. Radix is also called as a base. MSB or MSD, most significant bit or most significant digit. Least significant digit or least significant bit. Now consider this a number. This is a decimal number which has two parts. One is an integer part and one is a fractional part, or it is a decimal part. So 85 is an integer part and 0.125 is a decimal part, or I'll say rather than that fractional part. Then just consider a number here 1125. It is a 1125. It's a decimal number, that's why the base is 10. Base is also called as a radix. Then these are called as each digit. This is a full number. This particular number has 4 digits. Now on top of this small I have written the index of it, meaning its position, 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and so on. So these are the index of it. Okay, and this is a position. Thank you.